Hi guys, if you've got a Carphone aerial on your rear screen and you're wondering how to remove it, let me show you how to do it. Hey guys, I'm James and welcome to Mostly Helpful. This is my 1992 Alpina B2.5 based on the BMW E36 platform, and right from day one this had a Carphone fitted. That Carphone has long gone, but this aerial lives on. I don't like it, I want to remove it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So a couple of tools that we need. Firstly, just in case we have any problem with the glass, I'm going to wear some safety glasses. Because I'm going to be using a knife, I'm going to be wearing some gloves. And then in terms of a knife, I'm going to be using one of these very small hobby knives. And the most important point here is it's got a long, flexible blade. It's a very simple process. We're going to cut around under this plastic platform here. Under there is a sticky adhesive pad. We're going to cut through that, and hopefully then this will pull off, and I'll do the same on the inside. There's an inductive box that sits on the inside, so there's no physical connection and there is no hole in this glass. It's bonded on the top, bonded on the bottom. So we just need to cut that through and remove it. Let me show you how to do it. So, gloves on, glasses on, we're ready. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. I really don't like these aerials and I really don't understand why people don't remove them. Hopefully I'm going to be showing you that it's really not very difficult. So sliding the knife underneath, I can already feel that I'm cutting through the adhesive pad, or the adhesive at the very least. So do that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple of goes around each side. I can feel the glue, it's sticky, it's not hard. You can see it's coming off there in bits. If this area was a little closer to the paint, I would also protect the paint with some detailing, masking tape, that kind of thing. But I'm making sure I'm doing downward strokes away from the paint, making sure that I'm not going to cause any damage. That said, the eagle eyes amongst you may notice I'm missing a bit of lacquer there, so I'm definitely going to need a respray on the roof at least at some point. There we go, that's beginning to come out. Oh, that looks good. Getting a little bit of movement already. Come round to the other side. There we go, it's beginning to lift. Get my knife under there a bit more. Brilliant, here we go. And there we go. The outside part of the aerial is removed. There's a lot of glue residue here which I'm going to clean up. So that's the last of the glue residue removed, of the big stuff at least. There's a very little small amount in there. I'm just going to use some of this sticky stuff or sticker remover just to get rid of that very last little bit of residue. Again, just nice and simple this one. Get an old cloth, give it a shake, dab it on, and then the very last bits should come off. Okay. Excellent. Very pleased with that. Let's move on to the inside. So now that I've removed that aerial, you can see this box here that's on the other side of the glass. You can also see where the glass on the outside is now super clean. There's a tiny bit there. I need to deal with that. And this is just another sticky pad. It looks to be made differently. Presumably it's not waterproof. Let me show you how to get rid of that. Again, I'll use the knife really carefully. Need to be a bit careful of the heated element wire here, but a knife under there and it should just pop out. There we go. There is the old unit out from the back of the screen. A radio mobile unit. Haven't heard of them in the UK for a very long time. Made in Taiwan. Last step then is to use our sticker remover inside. Exactly the same to remove that last bit of sticky residue. There we go, guys. All that glass now clean here. All that residue gone. Lacquer not fixed itself, sadly. And then if I take you inside, you can have a look and see. And just again up here, all gone, all residue gone. I'll go over it with some proper car glass cleaner, but great result. Really happy with that. So guys, another nice, really simple little job done on the Alpina. Really enjoying getting these jobs done. There are many more to do. Hopefully that was really useful. If you've got one of those car aerials, remember, very simple, but careful with that knife. There's no hole in the glass, so it will just peel out. Just take your time, and it's a nice, simple project. No dramas at all. I hope you found that helpful. If you like this kind of content, do like, do subscribe, do send me a comment, and I look forward to coming to you in the next one very soon. Take care.